The Xiaomi 14T redefines what a mid-range smartphone can offer, delivering powerful performance, stunning design, and innovative features. Its 667-inch AMOLED display is a visual masterpiece, boasting QHD resolution, 1220x2712 pixels, and a smooth 120 Hz refresh rate, with HDR10 plus support and a peak brightness of 1600 nits. The screen ensures vibrant, immersive visuals whether you're streaming movies, gaming, or browsing the web. The thin bezels and 88.6% screen-to-body ratio add to its modern, sleek look. At its core, the Xiaomi 14T is powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 8300 Ultra chipset, built on an efficient 4nm process. This processor ensures smooth multitasking and supports demanding apps, making the device a reliable companion for both productivity and entertainment. Paired with up to 12 GB of LPDDR5X RAM and storage options, reaching 512 GB UFS 4.0. It offers exceptional speed and ample room for apps, media, and files. The Antutu benchmark score of over 1.5 million reflects its high performance capabilities. The device excels in photography with its triple camera system. The 50MP main camera, equipped with a Sony MX906 sensor and optical image stabilization OIS, captures sharp, detailed shots in any lighting condition. A 50MP telephoto lens enables precise zooming, while the 13MP ultra-wide lens is perfect for group photos or expensive landscapes. Selfie enthusiasts will appreciate the 32MP front-facing camera, which delivers high-quality images and video calls. Both the front and rear cameras support 4000 video recording, providing cinematic results. Durability and convenience are also highlights. The Xiaomi 14T is protected by Gorilla Glass 5 and has an IP68 rating for water and dust resistance, ensuring it withstands everyday challenges. Its 500 mAh battery supports 67W fast charging, allowing a full charge in under an hour. Reverse charging functionality lets the phone act as a power bank, adding versatility for those on the move. Xiaomi introduces its custom HyperOS, based on Android 14, offering a clean, responsive interface with AI enhancements for smoother navigation. Connectivity is comprehensive, featuring Bluetooth 5.4, Wi-Fi 6, NFC, eSIM, and dual SIM support, making the Xiaomi 14T a future-proof choice for global users. In conclusion, the Xiaomi 14T is a standout device in its class, offering a premium experience without a flagship price tag. Its performance, camera capabilities, display quality, and durability make it a versatile choice for professionals, creatives, and everyday users alike.